Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to review your insights on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and some videos that we have uploaded. Then we can analyze the insights from, let's just say, the full year, the last 365 days, or since the first video that was uploaded to your page. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio. On the bookmarks, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's make sure that we are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to Insights. And now, as you can see, by default, we have the last 28 days from the 16th of October to the 12th of November 2024. We can see that the reach is 693. We have 3-second views, minute views, the watch time, which is 7 hours, the content interactions. If I were to, let's just say, now go to a new filter, we can filter for this year, update. We can then see the full reach for the full year 2024 until now. If I were to, let's just say, now change the numbers to, let's just say, 2023, the 13th of November. This will then give me the full insight of the last 365 days. If I want to, let's just say, go 1 year further back, we can change that again from the customized filters, update. And there we go. So that's everything for the last 2 years. If we wish to, let's just say, go 1 year further back again, change to 2021. And there we go. As you can see, all that time frame in 2021, I was not posting videos to Facebook Creator Studio, and therefore we do not have any data for that particular time. However, everything from, let's just say, 15th of November 2022, we have all the information, and that's when we started posting videos from our YouTube channel to Facebook Creator Studio to generate a reach, views, watch time, content, interactions, and grow the audience and the business model from another social media platform. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.